Note down your topic. Your topic is unemployment in India.
Unemployment in India. As unemployment is a common economic problem faced by each and every country of the world. As nowadays in India is the most common issue. As first we can say unemployment means the
What
state
what
of
are you
being
what? Why are you speaking us all the time? Us.
unemployment means the state of being without any opportunity of earning one's livelihood.
Hmm.
Rising population problem creates the unemployment. If the population growth in the same rate, the next generation will face more problem of employment. As we face the problem of lack of secure jobs, lack of economic stability, lack of literacy rate, increasing poverty.
Hmm.
As per my thinking, unemployment
That is not
the
us.
biggest
That is as. That is as per. So,
as per my thinking
as
the
as
as
yes,
the
as per.
biggest problem is population
Hmm.
in unemployment in India.
Hmm.
As we can see that the unemployment rate in India fell to 7% in September 2020 from the record high of 29% since the country went into lockdown from March 2020, says the
Hmm.
report of CMIE. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Very good. Rajit, na?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Tell. Hmm.
The developing and underdeveloped countries are more afflicted by the problems than the developed countries. One of them is unemployment. People of India lives in moderate or poor condition despite having an undeserving jobs.
Hmm.
Unemployment is closely related to the increase in population. The population of this country is increasing by leaps and bounds. All the steps to control growing population will help in solving the problems of unemployment. Problems of educated unemployment is also the more serious. There are various factors behind the unprecedented growth of unemployment. One, illiteracy. Two, increase in population. Three, lack of proper planning. Four, corruption. The government is very keen on checking unemployment. It is initiating various schemes to contain the problem. Soft loans are being provided to the youth to start their own business. In addition, training programs for short-term skills are also given to the youth. The situation is improving, but with little peace. Pace. The most important thing is that government machinery should be sincere in implementing different schemes and programs. Education should be made job oriented. After the completion of education, our youth should not wait for employment. These measures will make a difference.
Okay. Very good.
Unemployment is a common problem to all of the peoples of India or other countries.
Hmm.
Increase in populations is the main factor of unemployment. Illiteracy is the one of the main factors behind unemployment, as people have the skills but they don't proper use of that skills.
Hmm.
It is a situation in which the unemployment person do not find any useful jobs to fulfill their needs.
Hmm.
In India, there is people from
Are
from
you
both.
pronouncing peoples?
Yes, sir.
It's not peoples. People. People is plural. People is itself a plural word. People.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Continue.
Uh, in agriculture fields, people also refers from unemployment. There is some problems are educated unemployment. The people who are educated and they don't use their skills. They
Hmm.
don't have proper job vacancies.
Hmm.
uh, to control the unemployment, control the uh, populations, and give the better education facilities to the people, and to reduce unemployment.
ठीक है.
Unemployment in India. Unemployment is a situation in which people are willing to work. A man is unemployed only when he is both without job or not employed and also desire to be employed. Unemployment is a serious problem in India. It's becoming more and more serious day by day. When there is slump in business, many people find themselves without job. Technology business, a large number of youth is still unemployed. First of all, we must check the fast rising population of India. The education of our country should be based, it should be job oriented. Students should make their own self-depend, change mental attitude of our boys, girls is necessary. They should not depend on governments everything. Each one should give their help and support to our country. Governments should promote the establishment of industries.
Tushar, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell. Speak.
Unemployment in India. The unemployment rate in India fell to 7% in September 2020 from the record high of 29% since the country went into lockdown from March 2020, says the report of CMIE Center for Monitoring India Economy. However, however,
Hmm.
However, it late increased to 9.1% December 2020. The lockdown to contain the coronavirus outbreak. The outbreak has forced many industries to shut down, thus in increasing unemployment across the country. The topic of unemployment, the date related to unemployment in India, and initi- initiatives by the
Initiative.
government.
Initiative.
Initiative, yes, by
Initiative.
the,
Okay.
by the government to uh, alleviate unemployment are important for aspirants preparing for competitive exams. It holds relative in the general awareness selection of various government exams like SSC exams, bank exam, RRB exams, etc. For candidates preparing for UPSC, unemployment of India can be asked in GS or as an easy questions. Therefore, this article will discuss detailed information on unemployment in India, types of unemployment, causes of government identities to control in unemployment in India. Unemployment is a situation when a person active searches for a job and is unable to find work. Unemployment indicates the health of in economy. The unemployment rate is the most frequent me- meas- measure measure measure
Measure.
of unemployment. The
Hmm.
unemployment rate is the number of people unemployment divided by the working population or people working under labor force. Unemployment works total labor force into 100. Nation nas- National Sample Survey Organization NSSO defines unemployment and employment and unemployment on the following activities: status of an individual, NSSO, an organization under MOSPI, Ministry of Statistics, 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 ऐसा कुछ है,
Hmm.
and program implements measures India's unemployment of three approaches.
ठीक है, okay.
Unemployment occurs when a person who is actively searching for employment is unable to find work because of large populations and low education. And in some part of our country, the slow growth of economics is also a major problem. And also the large slow growth of industries. And in some part of our country, the caste systems is also the main problem. We should improve the quality of Indian educational system. Oh yes, sir.
Okay.
Employment in India. In India, still many people are not able to afford education and are forced to live unemployed because of no education. Our education system is not uniform throughout the country. Quality education is still a dream of many people. Because of this, many do not have enough skills to compete in the job market. The reason for unemployment are large population, lack of vocational skills or low education levels of the working population, labor-intensive sectors suffering from the slowdown in private investment, particularly after demonstration.
Unemployment in India. In a country like India, there is much reason for a large section of the population for begin employment. In addition, the biggest reasons of employment in India is its vast population, which demand a large number of jobs every year, which the government and authorities are unable to provide. Oh, yes, sir.
Unemployment is India. Employment is a status when a person active searches for a job and is unable to find work. Unemployment in case the health of the economy. The unemployment rate is the most frequency measure of unemployment. The unemployment rate is the number of people unemployment divided by the working population or people working under the labor force.
Unemployment in India. The highest share in global unemployment is that of young people is emerging of underdeveloped countries where they live in moderate or poor condition despite having an undeserving job. The wide disparity between young men and women has mostly contributed to unemployment. This problem has been faced particularly by African and Asian countries where the female discrimination is prevalent. According to the International Labour Organization ILO report, the rates of female employment is 32.9 percentage points lower than the male in the year 2016. Further, the quality of work provided to both genders is considerable inferior. For interns and university graduate is faced to work as a barber in a salon because there is less number of prominent job for him. Many civilized women are trained to enter the prostitution industry to kill their hungry. The individual loss of a job can instigate him to become a violent and harm those around him. The trauma of jobless develop in him a feeling of resentment and will be victim of inferiority complex. They become deprived of financial security which they used to enjoy earlier the resentment and will be victim of interference complex. They become the diverse financial security which they used to enjoy earlier. The consequence could be severe in case the job is dismissed unexpectedly. Moreover, the victim may suffer from health deteriorations due to the unhealthy food and improper eating habits. Thus, unemployment is posing a serious threat to the health of people and a nation economic, and it's needed to be addressed immediately. Sir, इतना ही.
Okay, okay, okay.
Sir, we know that our topic is unemployment in India. First, we will know what is unemployment. A person who is capable of doing job, any kind of job, but cannot find it due to some reason, can be termed as unemployment. Second, reason of unemployment. There can be various reasons for unemployment, among which some common reasons are financial crisis, such as if person is skillful and is capable but not having proper financial condition to gain his job. Another reason can be family problem, but the most major problem for this issue is overpopulation. Overpopulation is the main reason as for any types of job. Are more, some are capable of achieving it, but are not getting the seat as it full. Depends on, but according to me, it can be improved by changing the mindset of the society from root or childhood. That is, if we remove the ideas from Dr. Pilot. So I took this example because most of the parents, even my parents,
Mhm.
they're scientists,
Mhm.
due to which from childhood only we set a limited option for all careers. But if from childhood we are told to do anything in our life that we are interested in, then each individual person can have his own career which he is interested, and also he is earning a good amount, not the best but enough that he can be happy in. Example, YouTuber. Sir, हो गया.
Okay, okay, very good.
Thank you, sir.
ठीक है. Okay, मिलते हैं फिर थर्सडे को. Okay.
Thank you, sir.